Hello children, today we are going to learn class 4th science lesson number 12 air, water, weather. In that today we are going to learn page number 108 activity number 3. Take a wooden box with a glass front. Wooden glass should be there and front glass should be front. Fit two white glass tubes in a holes at the top to form chimneys. Put a lighted candle below one of the chimneys. Hold a burning pieces of paper on the top of the chimney. Observe it. You have to take one box and you have to keep their glass rod, and what you have to do, one you have to light the candle and one you have to hold the piece of a paper. Observe it. The smoke from the burning paper rushed into the box to take the place. What will happen? The place of the burning paper smoke, it will go inside, and whatever next, thus air current are set up. The burning paper is, that smoke is going inside to rush into the box. Okay. Land breeze and sea breeze. What is mean by land breeze? What is mean by sea breeze? Okay. Take two balls. You have to take two balls. Fill sand in one and water in the other. One you have to fill sand and one you have to fill the water. Keep both the balls out in the sun. Both the balls you have to keep in the sunlight. After 2 hours, use a thermometer to measure the temperature inside each ball. You have to use the thermometer to measure the temperature of the two balls. Record your observation about which it is a warmer, sand or water. Now which it will be warm, sand or water? Most probably it will become sand. Sand will become hot so fast. Then keep both the balls inside again. Check the temperature after an hour. Again you have to keep that bottle inside. Both the balls you have to keep inside and you have to check the temperature. Record your observation in the table given below. Now this activity, if you have the thermometer means you can do that. Most probably all have thermometer, because whenever you will suffering from the fever, your mom will check either you are how much you will get the fever. Okay. Now next, you will observe from the above activity that the sand and the water do not absorb or reflect the same amount of heat and will absorb a heat faster than water. Okay. Also it will cool down faster than the water, means sand temperature will be high when it will be in a sunlight, and when it will be in a shadow inside, then it will be very fast, it will become a cool. On the other hand, water will absorb and lose heat more slowly than sand, or we can call it land. So land and water do not absorb or lose the same amount of heat in the same period of a time. Then land and the water, it will not absorb the same heat in a water. This difference gives rise to the land breeze at the night and a sea breeze during the day. Let us learn about this in a detail. You have to learn about in a detail. This is a sea breeze during in a day. You can see this is a sea breeze and land breeze during the night. Night land breeze will be there, and day sea breeze will be there. During the day, land gets heated up by the heat of the sun. It will get heated by the heat of the sun. The hot air above the land rises and the cool breeze from the sea takes its place. So the wind blow from the seas towards the land. The wind will blow towards the land. This is called as a sea breeze. Sea breeze, what will happen? The hot air above the land rises and the cool breeze from the seas take its place. So the wind blows from the sea towards the land. From the seas towards the land, the breeze will come. Okay, this is called as a sea breeze. Now next, at the night, the land cools down faster than the sea. The land will cool faster than the sea. The air of the sea water is warmer than the air above the land. The air of the sea water, it will be warmer than the air of the land. Warm air rises and cool air from the land rushes towards the sea. This is called as a land breeze. It is known as a land breeze. Evaporation, water changing into the water vapor on a heating. Condensation, water vapor changing into the water on the cooling. Water cycle, the continuous evaporation and the condensation of the water in the form of a cycle. Sedimentation, the process in which insoluble impurities settle down, is called as a sedimentation.